Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I would do a video kind of telling you about the benefits of a digital planner versus a paper planner. Now this was a requested video. I've been getting messages on Instagram, people just asking me why get a digital planner. So here today I'm going to answer your questions. Number one being that this is eco-friendly. It's not paper, you just charge it and go. Whereas here, look at all of this paper that we're wasting. You can't actually reuse this year to year. You have to get a new planner every single year. Not to mention that we also have like stickers and stuff, and I'm like not against stickers and things like that, but I'm just saying like this is a lot of paper that we're using, you know? Whereas this, I got all of my pages on here. They're not actually paper. I got different pages. I could use all the pages I want, and I'm never wasting any more paper. So that's number one, it's eco-friendly. Number two, this is so easy to take with you on the go. If I want to update my planner, I could just take my iPad. I also have the app on my phone, so I could also look at it on my phone, whatever it is that I want to look at. I could edit things on my phone. So take these things with me instead of having to take this whole entire planner with me. I mean, look at the bulk difference, guys. That's like a big bulky difference. I'll also show you in my bag. So, for example, I got a bag here. If I add in my planner, look at all this space it takes up in my bag. Like, I mean, that's a lot of space, guys. Whereas, if I bring my phone with me, I could throw my phone in that pocket, and I could just put my iPad right there. Look how much more space I still have for everything else in here. And number three, I can move things around in my planner. You can't really move things around in this kind of paper planner, especially if you're writing with pen. So let me just get to a couple of spreads. Like here, for example, I have a whole spread here. I barely crossed anything off of my to-do list, and I wasn't able to move it from one place to another. I mean, yes, some things sometimes you can move. Like if I have like a sticker like this, I could pick that up and move it to another page about one time. I can't do it consistently if I keep not doing it that day. Whereas here on this planner, I can move things as many times as I want. So let me show you. So let me zoom in here for a second. So just to show you guys, if I want to move, oh, hold on, I got like a little dot there. But if I want to move this meal prep, let's say I didn't meal prep that day, I could just highlight this, right? And let's say I need to move it to my next day. Ta-da! Clean, no mess. I didn't have to cross anything out. I didn't have to do anything. I'm gonna put it back just because this was like an old week that I did, and I kind of just like to keep it. But I didn't have to cross anything out. Back in the day with these, sometimes I would have to put in like a sticker, like a canceled sticker, or I would put in nope, not today kind of sticker, like things I didn't get done, but it was just ended up being like a waste of space because then I couldn't move stuff over to the next day, and it ended up just looking a little messy. And just to show you guys, here's an example of canceled stickers I had back in the day. So if something didn't happen, I'd find like a sticker that would match. So let's say I didn't get to go to the post office, let's say it was closed that day, I would just like put this over the whole entire thing, and there you go, it's canceled. It still looks neat, but at the same time, you can't just like pick this up and move it around, because like here I was writing on my planner itself, and I can't just like lasso it like I can on my iPad to move it to another day, if that makes any sense. Number four, guys, this planner you cannot reuse year to year. This is just like a 1-year planner. Sometimes you could get 18 months out of these things, out of the Erin Condren Life Planner. Sometimes you can get 18 months. But this planner, I could buy it once and then put another one on my iPad and reuse it again the next year. It's undated. I could put in my own dates every single year and reuse it. Now, yeah, sometimes there's other new digital planners that come out and you might want to buy another one, but let me tell you, my planner, for example, is $20, okay? $20 once a year, even if you wanted to get a new one every single year, like different color schemes, whatever, $20. Whereas this one itself, I believe, is like $50 planner every single year. And that's not even like with customization, because I think the planners that I've purchased, like whether you want a black coil or a gold coil, which is another $10, whether you want something written on it or customized covers, like another $10. Then you have all of these stickers that you need to buy and you could only use once, which is like another $100 or whatever it is, guys. So this ends up costing a lot of money. Here in a digital planner, which is my next point, I think I'm number 5 points. So my next point is that there's stickers on here that I have included in my planner. So this one's not included, but you could purchase this. This is what, I think like $4 for 3 pages of stickers. Let me show you. 3 pages of stickers that you could use in your planner. I also, my planner, if you don't want to purchase that $4 one, also comes with some stickers already in my planner. Look at that. Already there, guys. Some stickers already come with it. This page also. These ones are added from my sticker kit just into my planner, so I have them all in one spot. But everything is literally here. You only have to purchase it once. You never have to purchase it ever again. And it's not as expensive as buying paper stickers. Now, I support both. If people want a paper planner, that's fine. If people want to use paper stickers in their paper planner, that's also fine. I support both. It's like whatever works for you. But if you could do digital planning and if you have an iPad, I really recommend trying digital planning. So that's point number 5. Point number 6, guys, is that it is fully customizable. So let me show you guys some of the pages that I have in my planner. So I have the calendar page, which obviously we have a calendar page in a paper planner as well. So we have that. Then I have a next page that I have created with December goals and birthdays and events. Let's see what my next page is in here. It just goes straight to the week, which is another thing. The week here is customizable. I also added in a habit tracker, which I have. You could add in so many different kinds of inserts, and again, you only buy it once and then you could reuse it in every single planner that you have after that. So I have my habit tracker, I have a weekly meal plan, I have a grocery list, I have my weekly spread on 2 pages. I also sell like hourly layouts in my planner, so you could kind of change it up as much as you want because you could just add in these pages into your planner. It doesn't get any bulkier. It might cost like $3 that you have a file forever, literally forever, and it's fully customizable for you to make it how you want it to fit your needs, which is like the best part of it. I think that's like the biggest takeaway with digital planning, is that it's fully customizable to you. Not like these planners where you get a paper planner, you can't change the layouts in this, guys. Like, you can't. You might add in a couple of inserts like with those clippy thingies on the side. You might add in a couple of those things, but you can't add in so much more. Here, I could make these tabs, like I could change any of these tabs. Like I have my number 1 tab be YouTube video ideas, so I have that here. I haven't set up my number 2 tab because I haven't figured out yet, but I could do like a budget planner here. I could do my gratitude journal here, add as many pages as I want, and I could just keep going. And like I could reuse this, guys, year to year, which is just like amazing. So not only is a digital planner cheaper, minus the upfront cost where you need an iPad to use this, so that part is a little pricey. I am going to be trying to figure out if there's like an app for non-iOS devices that will work with it. I'm currently in the process of like testing that out and seeing like what app would work with another device, so I could let you guys know. But right now, all I know is that it works on iPad because you're using the app GoodNotes, which is another $8, which again, you purchase once and you have it forever, so you don't have to buy it again. This is definitely cheaper. Even with a $20 planner that you have, the GoodNotes app, which is another $8, so $28, and maybe like a couple of inserts, which from my shop are pretty cheap. Their inserts in my shop are like around $3. Some of them are $2 actually, so $2 or $3 are generally how much my inserts cost in my shop, so they're not expensive. Whereas here, you already have a $50, $60, $70 planner just sitting right here that you're only going to use once and you're not sure if it's going to work for you because it's also just not customizable. Whereas here, even if I need to spend a little bit more to buy different kinds of inserts to see what would work for me, it's still going to end up cheaper than buying this planner in the long run. So I don't know. I think those are just some like great points. So there's your 6 points, I think it was. that tell you why a digital planner is just so much better, guys. I fully support the digital planner. Like, once I got into this, I was like, yes, yes, yes. Like, this is the way to go. This has been a game changer for me. I especially love that if I don't have my iPad with me, I can easily go on my phone. So I normally take this to go grocery shopping with me. I could just like move around here. So I could easily just go to the page that I need for my grocery. And I normally just shop like this. Like, here's my page. There I go. I could also highlight stuff as I buy it. So I could highlight things as I buy them so that I know that I purchased them. So like, I love this, and it just updates with your iPad when you're connected like over some kind of internet or whatever. So it's just great. Like, I love that I'm able to use it across devices, whether I want to use this, my phone, or my iPad. I can't do that with a paper planner. I'd have to literally bring like a second planner with me that's like a little smaller. Does that make sense, guys? So I just like fully support digital planning. 125%, actually even more than that, like 200%, guys, like for real. Digital planning has changed my life. If you guys are also curious on what planner I will be using in 2019, well, it's gonna be this one. It's not gonna be this one, I'll tell you that much. I mean, this is, I think, only 2017, 2018 planner anyway. I do have one that goes into 2019 a little bit, but this is gonna be my 2019 planner because it's just that much better and more customizable, and I just can't wait to use it. And I've been using it so much, as you guys could see. Like, it's just been so great. So here's your takeaway, guys. If you have an iPad and you want to try digital planning, I would definitely give this a shot. Even if you buy it once and you figure out that it doesn't work for you, you didn't spend a fortune, guys. Like, you didn't, unless you're buying a brand new iPad just for this. But if you already have an iPad, or if you're planning on getting an iPad, here's some more things that you could do with an iPad to use it to your fullest potential. Well, not your fullest potential, but the iPad's fullest potential. Like, I'm always looking for more ways that I could use my iPad because I know it's capable of doing so many great things, and I haven't figured out what all of those things are, but digital planning is definitely at the top of the list because it has literally changed my life. And I know that seems like a statement where I'm just like really exaggerating it, but it really has changed my life. I stopped planning because I just wanted to get away from all of like the sticker planning, and I just wanted to plan for me where it's functional and not have to worry about like stickers and making it pretty and stuff. And yes, you can do that on a digital planner as well because you could buy digital stickers and have them year to year. So yes, you can do that also on your digital planner. But for me, I wanted it to be more functional. So if you guys see, my planner is literally just like me making tons and tons and tons of lists. Like, it's just like my daily list and chart, and it has been so much more functional for me. I get to cross things out. I mean, here I even like cross out cut holiday bulbs instead of like moving it to another day. So I kind of cross things out, but most of the time I just move things over. Like here, I've moved over so many things this week. It was just crazy, guys. And I'm also able to copy things. So when I liked my handwriting in one thing, I copied it to the next day and to the next day. I have it 3 days in a row. Go to bed early. 3 days in a row because I liked how I wrote it. So I was able to highlight it, copy it, and paste it onto like another section in my planner. Have the same exact thing. So you could do that with your handwriting also if you have pretty handwriting. You could do that with other stickers. You copy it and also paste it onto another day. Like, it's just great, guys. There's just so much more you could do with a digital planner, and it's just so much more personalized, so much more customized to fit your needs. And I think that's like the most important takeaway from this video. So if you guys can give it a shot, I would fully recommend trying it out. I will have all the links that you guys need down below for a digital planner, but seriously, game changer. And so many of you guys have been messaging me also that have purchased the planner and have gotten into digital planning. You guys have been thanking me for introducing you to digital planning, and I just want to say, like, you're so welcome, and I'm so happy that I could share this with you guys, like my new passion of digital planning. I'm so happy I'm able to share that with you guys, whether it's through YouTube and through Instagram, which I share a lot on my Instagram. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, definitely check me out. It's at KarolinasKrafts on Instagram. I post videos almost every single day with something to do with my digital planner. I have a highlights tab for digital planning, here you guys go. So go to @KarolinasKrafts, and here's a digital planning tab. So if you guys want to see like a whole bunch of things of different ways to do things, I have also had like a gratitude journal. I have a savings tracker in my digital planner. Like there's just so many things. I also show you guys me writing some stuff in there. I show you guys me planning and talking about my videos, my habit tracker. I answer some questions here as well. There's just like so much, so you guys can check out that digital planning highlights tab on my Instagram @KarolinasKrafts. So if you guys have any questions, you could also comment them down below. You could reach out to me through here. You could reach out to me through Instagram. I love doing these videos for you guys because like right now I just love spreading the knowledge and telling people about digital planning, because I only discovered this maybe about a month and a half ago at this point. I think it's been like a month and a half. Or maybe it's been like 2 months at this point. I only recently discovered it, and I know there's so many more people that have not yet discovered digital planning, and I just think it's like the coolest thing ever, and it's like blowing my mind. So with that being said, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna end this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So take care, because I care, and I love you. See you soon. Bye.